Here is a step-by-step guide to support you in designing your next direct mail campaign in stamp.com. Once you're logged in, select Campaigns from the left toggle menu or by clicking the Quick button here. If you're sending internationally, you can select alternative regions here. Here are the available mail formats to select from, with more information including the paper stock. Give your campaign a memorable name. Confirm if this is a marketing campaign, with more information on the right to help you. If campaign extras are available for this mail format, these will be here to select. You can start designing from a blank canvas or one of our fully customizable stamp templates. Alternatively, you can toggle to your own previously created templates or upload PDF templates. Once in your selected design, you can use the zoom bar at the bottom right and a number of design command buttons at the top of the page, including undo, redo, and reset view. Each mail format also has guide information here. This guide contains specific dimensions and explains the different design markings. If you have borders, background colors, or images, extend these right to the edges through the bleeding cut lines. This will result in a great print finish and avoid any misaligned borders or white paper showing at the edges. Keep all of your important content, such as messages, QR codes, and call to actions, within the marked safe zone to make sure this is retained clearly. And the clear zone shows you where the address and tracking barcode will need to be clear for machine reading. Use the toggle menu on the left to navigate through the design features and the quick access buttons to add text blocks, images, and QR codes. These items will be added to the top left of your design. Simply drag and drop these into place. Insert your text. You can change the font, upload a custom font, adjust the color, sizing, layout, and placement, and insert a custom variable to personalize each mail item. When adding an image to your design, you can search the free-to-use stock images here, or upload your own images. Preview, set as the background, or add to canvas if you want to place or adjust these. You can also add a QR code, drag and drop to your preferred placement, add the destination URL, and change colors to blend in or stand out. Select from common colors, the colors that feature in your design, or use the eyedropper for an exact color match. We're going to change our background for this to seamlessly blend in. Once you're happy with the front, we can toggle to the address side. Here we have our message, a clear call to action, and a QR code to make engagement super simple. The clear zone is shown during the design process, and this is where the address and barcode will be machine read. Your design will be set with a white overlay by default. You can opt to remove the white overlay, but be aware that adding content to this area could disrupt the machine reading the address and barcode, and items then being undeliverable. You can see how this will look in the review step next. You can enter your return address, which we'll add here, and select a different address format if preferred. Once you're happy with your design, click Save and Review. Next, we can select our recipient group to add this to the campaign. Use this drop-down to confirm which addresses will be included in your campaign. You can send to all or only verified or unverified addresses. Unverified means that the address data is not an exact match with Royal Mail address records. More information is available here and in our knowledge base with this link. You can also apply filters and limit recipients, and click Next Step to review your campaign. Now we can review our campaign with the selection of items. We can review the data variable field that we added, test the QR codes, and check the address formatting. If you chose to remove the white overlay, this will be removed here. Click Approve and Continue to schedule this campaign. Clicking on a date will produce information on the left-hand side with the print and dispatch date, the expected delivery timeframes, and other information regarding local postage. You can select different dates that will adjust the delivery timeframes, change the year using the arrows, and click to change the month. And once you're happy, click Review. If you don't already have a stamp subscription, a suggested plan for this campaign will be displayed here. You can opt for an annual subscription or rolling monthly plan. You can click to remove the plan, view our other subscription plans, and re-add this to your basket to save today. Once you're happy with everything, click Continue to send your campaign.